Oh my gosh, look at these giant cookies. Are they cookies? Yes, they are. Oh my gosh. And cannolis. But I'm not gonna get one. Because no, too much sugar. They look delish though. Moringa. They're just giant meringue. Just that's ridiculous. Oh, look at that beautiful shot. Oh. You guys, I'm headed to get some cool stationery. So when I ship off my crochet items, like I can write you a proper like little note and everything. So I'm heading back to the stationery store, which is just here on the right, I think. You guys, I'm getting fancy. I'm gonna find some good stuff to up my postcard game. Look at that. Oh, this is gorgeous. How about this one? This one. And look here. These books. Oh, they're empty too. Fancy with the postcards. I came here and I got some Venetian hand-blown glass scribe glass pen made here in Venice, and ink. And I'm gonna get 2 of them. And this is how I'm gonna write your guys' postcards. I'm getting serious here. Oh, they're beautiful. Guys, so I've been crocheting all day. I haven't done anything else. I'm working on my outfits for this weekend. I'm going to Positano, and so I wanted to make all my outfits for Positano, but I also made this bikini. So you guys were saying that you wanted the bottoms to match, so I made these bottoms today. They fit me. I'm not going to put them on for you because I'm selling this. So this exact set I'm selling, so I'm not going to put it on. But these bottoms, they would fit a medium large. I'm going to put on, maybe I'll do a small one day, but this is the only one I'm going to make of the strawberry. But this is my strawberry bikini, and if you want it, I'll put it on my website. I've doubled up to make them so multiple different. The bathing suit like moves on the string, if that makes sense, so you can adjust it. I wanted to do a giveaway because I do them periodically for people who sign up for my postcard program. So if you want to sign up for my postcard program, if you do so today, I will give away to one of you it's a glass blown here in Venice. Venice is the glass blowing capital of the world. So it's a glass blown pen made of Venetian glass, and it comes with the ink. It's a whole set. I will give that to one of you guys. I'll announce you in tomorrow's video. So how you enter is you just sign up for my postcard program, and then I'll pick one of you guys randomly to win it. So yeah, that's all I was doing today. Filling out postcards and crocheting. So I didn't get up to anything super exciting today because I just been crocheting, and it's so therapeutic and fun for me. I haven't crocheted since I was 9 years old, and I didn't even know I knew how to crochet still, but I do. So yeah, I need to get back to crocheting because I have so much stuff to make. I'm gonna make a dress, I'm gonna make sets, whatever. But that strawberry bikini, that's the only one I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna put it on my website now. If you want to get it, you can click the link down below if it's available. If it's not, somebody bought it. But yeah, see you guys in tomorrow's video.